Hey YouTubers, so I have a Kenmore Elite steam dryer. It's about a month old, and I was getting a D90 alarm. D90 said that there's a blockage in the vent, so I pulled off the dryer vent hose and looked in it and down the tube. Everything looked clear, so I can't get to it in my basement because my basement is finished. Went outside, checked the vent, and I had a low airflow on the dryer vent. So I've done this in the past. I hook up my leaf blower up to the hose and blew out the line. I let it run for about 5 minutes, and it blew out all the lint. This is what came out of my dryer vent. A lot of lint built up inside. Look how moist it is. So it was definitely plugged up. So if you're having issues with your dryer vent, burning out elements and different sensors, try to blow out your dryer vent. Again, I just hooked up my leaf blower, duct taped it, and let it run for about 5 minutes. Save you some money.